How to set up your LinkedIn profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about setting up your LinkedIn profile for the job search. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to linkedin.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. If you do not have an account yet, you just have to go to the LinkedIn official website and then sign up to continue with an account. After you do that, you'll have many different options. Like you can go ahead and search for a job, or you can also follow multiple accounts related to job and activities. But setting up your profile for the job search, you just have to update your profile first. So go to your profile section in the left, and from here, enter your personal information and detail, such as your education, your skills, your interest, and also your recent jobs, or if you're looking for a job, your experience and everything that can be mentioned on your profiles so that you can apply for the jobs and you can get good results on it. So after you update all of your profile in your profile section, you can add a bio over here, and you can also add your education, position, services, career break, and your skills and the skills you have. Going to recommendation section, you can add your licenses and certifications, your project, courses, and also recommendations. Additionally, you can add your volunteer experience, publications, honors and rewards, test scores, how many languages you know, and organization causes, and also your contact info. That is, and the most important thing over here is do not forget to upload your resume. All right. So you just have to go ahead, go to the option of add profile section and then click on get started. Click on next, drag and drop your resume over here. You can just simply click on browse files and then you can upload from your computer or your mobile device. After you update your resume, go back and imagine that you have already set up your LinkedIn profile. Shift yourself to the job section. Now, this is the important part. This is where you can exactly search for any job and apply for it. Additionally, you can also post a free job over here by just clicking on this option. So you can set your preferences, like if you're open to work and your qualifications, your verification, and everything. Now you can go to My Jobs. This will display your saved jobs, the jobs that you have applied for, the job that is in progress, and your archived ones as well. Now come back. Now here you can search for any job. Let's search for being a teacher. You can set a post that is indicating now hiring for teachers in Alcuin School. If you see some job vacancies like this, you can just simply view job over here, and then you can apply for the job by clicking on this apply button that is highlighted in blue color. And then you can click on continue. And this will take you to the official website of the job you're applying for, the company or the school, the organization. And then simply you can go ahead and click on apply now option and then follow the on-screen instructions. If you're willing to apply for this job in the near future, you can go ahead and save this job in your profile as well. And this will be saved and you can go back, review all the information and apply for the job. You can see various information about the job, like the pay found in the job post, the base salary, featured benefits, the qualifications you must have, and about the company. So that's how easy it is to apply for the jobs on LinkedIn. Sign up for LinkedIn, update your profile, and simply go ahead and apply for the job. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can set up your LinkedIn profile for the job search. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.